हेलो एवरीवन। आज का वीडियो हमारा आज जो ICAR नेट एग्रीकल्चर स्टेटिस्टिक्स यूनिट 2 से जो 500 क्वेश्चन के सीरीज स्टार्ट किए है उसका पहला पार्ट है, जिनमें हम कवर करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 25 तक। चलिए देखते हैं हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर पहला क्या कहते हैं। यहाँ पे हम सिर्फ वही पार्टों को डिस्कस करेंगे जहाँ पे सिर्फ क्वेश्चन और आंसर, बाकी जो ऑप्शन रहेगा वो हम नहीं पढ़ेंगे। जिन्होंने पढ़ के रखा है थोड़ा बहुत, वो खुद को एवेल्यूएट कर पाएंगे इसके थ्रू। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ट्रू फॉर ऑल सेट ऑफ डाटा। यहाँ पे 3 रिलेशन दिया गया है, जिनमें से कौन सा करेक्ट होगा। देखिए, मीन इक्वल्स टू मीडियन इक्वल्स टू मोड, और मीन ग्रेटर देन मीडियन इक्वल टू मोड, और मीन लेस देन मीडियन इक्वल टू मोड। कौन सा करेक्ट होगा? ऑप्शन नंबर डी, कोई भी करेक्ट नहीं होगा, क्योंकि ये जो ऑप्शन है ये हर कोई डाटा के रेस्पेक्ट में चेंज होता रहता है। तो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर डी जो है ये करेक्ट है। Question number 2. In a group data, the number of classes prepared as adequate. A simple table representation follows. Always two factor or two variable. Harmonic mean of a number of observation is used when small item have to give greater weightage. The geometric mean of 2, 4, 16 and 32 is 2 into 4 into 16 into 32 to the power 1 by 4 equal to 8। ऑप्शन गलत है एक्चुअली, यहाँ पे कोई भी एक ऑप्शन का आप 8 लिख दीजिए। The number of observation filling into each class is called class frequency. The geometric mean of a set of observation lies between arithmetic mean and harmonic mean. There is a relation between arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. We get the result from that relation. Question number 9. The heading of rows given in the first column of a table are called stub. अगर ये कॉलम के जगह रो होता, ये रो के जगह कॉलम होता, तो ये कैप्शन होता। The relation between arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. Arithmetic mean is always greater than or equal to geometric mean, which is always greater than or equal to harmonic mean. In an individual series, each variate values has one frequency. The value of median is equal to second quartile. Which of the following is one-dimensional diagram? This is bar diagram, which is one-dimensional. Median can be calculated the distribution with open-end classes. Which of the following is not two-dimensional diagram? If you have a little bit clever, then you can answer. bar diagram. Dash is not affected by extreme observation. Median is not affected by extreme observation. Which statement is correct? Histogram and histogram are similar in looks. Cube and square diagram are similar in looks. Both A and B, ogive A and pie chart are similar. This is first option. The algebraic sum of deviation of a set of n values from their arithmetic mean, that is sum of deviation from their arithmetic mean, is always 0. Ogive curve occur for more than type or less than type. For both type we can occur the ogive curve. That is, answer is option C. The most stable measure of central tendency, which is mean. Ogive for more than and less than type distribution intersect at median. The mean of n natural numbers, which is this one, because sum is n into n plus 1 by 2 and we have to divide it by number of observation, that is n. After dividing n we get n into n plus 1 by 2, that is n is not there, that is n plus 1 by 2. In bar diagram the baseline is vertical. With the help of histogram we can prepare frequency curve, frequency polygon, frequency distribution, all of above. We can prepare all of above. Sum of absolute deviation about median. Sum of absolute deviation about mean is 0 and absolute sum of deviation absolute median is least.